Claude Sonnet 4.5 has just been announced, and Anthropic is calling it the best coding model in the world. But is it really that good? Today I will break down what's new, what make it special, and then we will put it to the test by building a real-world AI startup landing page inside Cursor IDE. So on 29th September 2025, then Anthropic team has just released Claude Sonnet 4.5. Here you can see, and here they claim that the Claude Sonnet 4.5 is the best coding model in the world. And let me also see its powerful features and update. Here you can see in code we have added checkpoints, one of our most requested features that save your progress and allow you to roll back instantly to a previous state. Okay, and also we have refreshed the terminal interface and shipped a native VS Code extension. Okay, we have added a new context editing feature and memory tool to the Cloud API that lets agent run even longer and handle even greater complexity. It means now the agent will run even longer time than previous. And also let Cloud is available every today. If you are developer, simply you can simply use by the Cloud API, or um, you can also use it from the Cursor ID or Winesoft or any AI powered tool ID. And here is the SWE benchmark. Here you can see it has also better than Cloud 4.1, and here you can see it has accuracy rate of 52%. And also you can see it is better in every aspect, and it is the review from the Cursor and GitHub team, like you can read it here. And now let us test by building a real world project inside the Cursor IDE. And I want to let you know that if you don't have claim 14-day pro trials in your accounts, then I have created a video for that where you can claim unlimited 14-day pro trials in your Cursor ID without requiring any credit card. So I will first copy the prompt. I have made one detailed prompt for that. You can also create your own prompt according to your project from the chat GPT, and I will paste it here in the chat section. And I will select Cloud 4.7 Sonnet. Here you can see it is saying that Anthropic latest models great for daily use, 200k context window. And now I will click on enter and let me see how this responds. And here you can see it is planning its next move. And now it started creating our project. Let us see what it gives result. And here our project is created, and as you can see it have generated 1156 line of code at once. And let me run this file and check how it is generated. So I will open with my live server, and here you can see it is crazy. It has generated a beautiful UI. Here you can see in just a few minutes. It is professionals. Everything is professional. Here you can see the bottom is also there is a hover effect. This is it, guys. You can explore further its power and its feature. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I guarantee you won't regret it. On this channel, I share powerful tricks and real world projects with AI powered ideas like Cursor. So you will always stay ahead in the world of AI and coding.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.